This Align Right Realty International property video is presented by Shauna 20 Calvert, 123 Aberdeen Pond, 3 beds, 3 baths, 2,647 square feet, Bayside Floorplan by Bayfair Builders, corner unit townhome in MiraBay. This rare corner unit townhome offers an unbeatable location, just steps from MiraBay's resort-style amenities. The Bayfair floorplan features a spacious primary suite on the main floor with a large walk-in closet and ensuite bath. The main level also includes a bright kitchen with café-style dining area, plus 2 flexible spaces perfect for a family room, formal dining, or home office. Upstairs, soaring ceilings enhance the open feel of the oversized loft, flanked by 2 additional large bedrooms and a full bath. Fresh interior paint makes the home move-in ready. Close to the action, located a short walk from the MiraBay Clubhouse with resort pool and lap lanes, 24-hour fitness center, cafe, and lounge. Enjoy tennis, pickleball, basketball, playgrounds, parks, and a community boat ramp and kayak launch, all in a golf cart-friendly neighborhood. Worry-free ownership. HOA covers water, exterior grounds care, lawn, landscaping, irrigation, flood and homeowners insurance, walls out and reserves for roof replacement and exterior painting, perfect for low-maintenance living. Rare corner units like this don't come along often.